Hi, my name is Matt Howard. I'm one of the co-founders of ZoomSafer. This is a brief video to introduce you to our software and to explain how it works. ZoomSafer is software for your mobile phone to prevent distracted driving. It's that simple. It's very easy to get. You can register for it at ZoomSafer.com. It takes only a few minutes. When you register, you select preferences to determine how you want ZoomSafer to work while you're driving so you can be more focused and less distracted on the road. When you're done registering, we will send an email to your BlackBerry. Click the link in the email and the software will download and install. It's that simple. You're done and you're ready to start zooming safer. Then, when you get in your car and you start to drive, ZoomSafer will automatically activate. It knows when you're driving. It locks your keypad so you don't do dumb things like text and email. As you start to drive, ZoomSafer will also politely remind you to be focused on the road and to drive safely. This is what we call a safety announcement. These can be customized according to your preference, or you can use the standard greetings. It's entirely up to you. When you're driving, you can use the hands-free voice dialer to make outbound phone calls to anybody you want. You can also receive inbound phone calls from your priority contacts. We will announce the inbound calls and we will read you the person's phone number so you don't even have to look at your phone to know who's calling. While you're driving, ZoomSafer replies to inbound text and emails on your behalf. It also replies to unanswered calls. It lets those people know that you're currently focused on the road and that you'll get back to them when you reach your destination safely. This is a very useful service. This is what we call auto replies. When you're driving, ZoomSafer will automatically activate. It's important to remember that the software is on even at stoplights, even when you're stuck in traffic. It's on until you reach your destination and you turn it off. If you're a passenger, you can exit ZoomSafer by using the snooze control. This will deactivate the service for a specified period of time. Coming soon in December, we will introduce the ZoomMate. This is a voice service bureau that will allow you to send and receive voice-powered text and emails, tweets, and much more. That's a little bit about ZoomSafer. I hope it's useful. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please send us email at info@zoomsafer.com.